Hey everybody, today we'll be tackling another channel in our How Much Do YouTubers Make Money in India series. What fascinated me about this channel was that this person started this channel when she was really young, around 2010, when she might probably was 14-15 years old. She's around 21, 22 now, and she has really grown the channel, grown her income, as well as gained a substantial following. And not only that, but she is one of brand promoters or something. It's not like exactly a brand promoter, but like Kalyan Jewelers, you might have heard of them. And they have her shoot videos for them, trendy hairstyles, maybe their some makeup tips, etc. So how this 15-year-old has now blossomed into a young lady and is sought out by many companies, like Kalyan Jewelers. I mean, you must have heard of them. They're really great, right? So they're good in jewelry. They have classic jewelry, and to be asked by them to shoot film for them is a privilege. So I really was excited when I came across this channel. In fact, I just came across it today, and I thought, oh my god, I need to share this. So her channel ID is SJ Loves Jewelry. She started on 28th of August 2010. At present, she has around 102,893 subscribers and quite a few views. And her name is Shreya. She does dress up, makeup videos, and just wanted to show you. This is her blog, by the way, beautyinthethirdworld.blogspot.in, and this is her Twitter handle, her Facebook page, if you just want to go check her out. And this is how you can reach her on her Yahoo email. Really, this is one of the most amazing things which I liked. Is like 5 years ago, a kid was on YouTube making videos, a teenage girl, and she's still making videos, and she is doing really well now. But just look at the videos back then. She was so cute, a little chubby, and kind of unsure about herself, but still making videos. Like her very first video was about some Multani Mitti video, how to have no heat overnight curls, and if you go down, it's just pedicure, simple things, pedicure at home, different ways to wear it, but it's really cute if you watch some of them. Then her 200th video, and then I just found the video on the Indian schools which she had done, makeup for Indian schools. I really liked it. It's very cute, confident. She's still learning how to make videos. It was really nice. And if you notice, it's done in 2013, long time ago. And then you start seeing the new her. Look how she has blossomed. This video was also made in 2013, where she speaks about how she lost 20 kilos and 12 inches the real way. It raked up quite a bit of views. She has done recently, this is last year, 2015, and this is the Kalyan Jewelers. It's on the Kalyan Jewelers channel. Just imagine the growth from that shy little girl, little teenager, to this beautiful young lady. It's really amazing. So these are her latest videos. This is just an hour ago, which was posted. Indian makeup series, Orissa inspired makeup, top 5 shower gels in India under 1,000 rupees. What I got in my bling bag. Look at how she has changed. She's more confident, and it's really an amazing personality. You need to really check out her channel. She is very forthright. She doesn't you know, talk any bull kind of. You know, she's very straightforward. If she doesn't like it, she says she doesn't like it. If she's reviewing some product, she doesn't do things for money, which shows through her videos. It's all from heart to heart. I believe that's why maybe why she's seeing such phenomenal growth. By phenomenal, I just wanted to show you, look at that. In the last 30 days, she had 8,215 people subscribing to her channel. I mean, that is totally awesome. On a daily subscriber average, say 264. You know, because you gain some, you lose some subscribers, and the views have dipped a bit, but that is expected in the YouTube world. She has an absolutely amazing subscriber rank. A B grade means that her channel, the number of subscribers to the number of views are almost same. I mean, A grade is the best. She's up there. And this is really amazing. 14 subscribers she got today, and daily views 65,000 views on a day on an average. Let's get down, and in the sense that on her channel she doesn't charge money to show a video or take money to make a social media post or anything as such. That way she's very different from others. In spite of that, she is earning big money, and that's all due to her hard work and creativity. And you just go through her channel, you just see the phenomenal growth. And but suppose she goes and does a video shoot for, say, Kalyan Jewelry or somebody else, Nykaa, then she does get money for that. So like here, she's done video shoots for Nykaa, and they are on their channel, and she does get paid money by Nykaa to do that video shoot, which is expected. She's putting in the effort, and she deserves to be paid, and she's doing a really fabulous job for them for promoting. So if you see, on an average, say the videos, they get quite a few views, and per video, this is the earning per video. She's getting, say, $18, between $18 to $300. That would be around a big substantial amount of income. And look at that, the monthly views are just increasing. If you see around before, like in 2013, let me pull this over. So if you see in 2013, it was kind of low, right? And then just see, she catapulted in 2014, and it's been phenomenal. Phenomenal means phenomenal growth. Look at that, 2.1 million views she is getting in as of now. And look at the number of subs. In 2013, the growth was not as good, but now it's just exponential. There have been dips. If you see, there's been a dip, and then it's increasing. See, that's really good. So this is one really impressive Indian YouTube channel, YouTube girl, making some really good money through a lot of hard work, dedication, daily videos, daily updates, facing a lot of criticism and health issues and weight issues. And it's fun to watch and inspiring to watch such a YouTuber. She's making again around 3 to 4 lakhs a month, probably more, sometimes maybe less, but that is really awesome. And I'll be back with some more videos. Hit like and subscribe, please, so that I can keep reviewing some more famous YouTubers for you, and hopefully inspire you to start your very own successful YouTube channel. So take care. Love you all.